HYDROTECT is an environmentally friendly, self-cleaning protective coating technology developed by Toto. Utilizing photocatalysis, which is the acceleration of a chemical reaction by light when exposed to UV rays, HYDROTECT cleans material surfaces by decomposing organic materials and oxidizes atmospheric pollutants into less harmful substances naturally. Let's discover how the HYDROTECT tile performs on exterior walls. The first characteristic of the HYDROTECT is that it is hydrophilic, or blends and mixes extremely well with water. The layer of water on the tile prevents dust and other particles from sticking, keeping the surface clean of debris. The second characteristic is decomposition. The photocatalyst layer on the tiles activates oxygen on the surface, which decomposes oily dirt and floats away particulates. Decomposed dirt is then washed away naturally by rain. Let's watch HYDROTECT in action. The wall on the right is sided with ICHIJO HYDROTECT coated tiles. The wall on the left is not. HYDROTECT environmental technology sheds dirt and keeps surfaces clean. Surface particles decomposed by photocatalytic effect are washed away by rainwater. The HYDROTECT technology promotes self-cleaning of material surfaces, resulting in a low-maintenance exterior.